Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Helmut Meshkons. I'm the founder of HostMaria, and this video has been coming already for a while. For whom it is? So, at HostMaria.com, when you order your hosting, of course, you should renew it. Yes. After 30 days, if the account is not renewed, it is being auto suspended. So it means you still have time to pay for the renewable, and the websites, all your websites and emails will come back online. As people come and go, and many people also abandon the services, the system is set in a way that it auto terminates the cloud accounts after 60 days. It means, so after 30 days, an account gets suspended if there is no renewal received, then the system will terminate it 30 days later. So in total, after 60 days after the due date, the hosting package will be terminated. What happens after that? You still have ability, you still have like 28 and 29 days to restore all your websites, your files, your databases, your emails. And this video tutorial is for the users who are in this situation. Okay, you have missed all the deadlines, your account has been terminated. Don't worry, don't worry. We have included timeline backups in all the cloud user accounts. So this will be your savior. Just go through the website, take your time, make yourself a cup of coffee. I have made myself a nice cup of coffee. And let us go through. And remember, you have always, you can open support tickets at hostmaria.com, and we'll try our best to help you to restore your account. Of course, you need to do it yourself. Okay, let us roll in. Let me prepare the screen and remove this thing. So this is the HostMaria demo account. You can see. So let me show what it is. So this is a HostMaria demo account. We have two websites on it. So we have hostmariademo.com. This is one website, and also on a subdomain version 2, we have put up another website. So two different websites on a domain and on a subdomain. So you will see that we have that. Let us go to domains. Here we can see, here is our primary domain. Document root is public HTML, and subdomains, and that we have one subdomain. We have subdomain. Here is the file manager. We can see that there will be some files. Okay, so this is public HTML, and this is for the subdomain. We can see for some files in here and there. Okay, so that is it. What else? MySQL databases, yes, and we have. So this is the server name, two different server names, and two databases. One is for the database, one is for the main website, and so for hostmariademo.com, and another one is for V2 or version 2. Okay, so what I will do it now from my side, I will do something really evil. I will trigger the system to terminate this account. Okay, I have opened another screen already prepared, and let's roll. I'm pushing terminate. A bit worried. I hate it. Okay, let us roll in. Let me refresh the screen. Okay, and you can see the screen is empty. Nothing is there. Nothing is there. So let me log out. StackCP.com. This is how it would look. You would log into your StackCP account, and you would see it is empty. You currently don't have any hosting packages. So that's it. If you log in into your StackCP account and you see this message, it means your hosting package has been terminated. And the first things first, please immediately open a support ticket with us. Okay, so what next? What next? Let me recreate. So I will trigger now I will go into my system, and I will auto create the hosting package, and now you will see how it will look. Okay, let us try reloading it one more time. Okay, so Tobago7.com, and probably like this. Was it correct? Yes. Okay, and now we are in. Now we are in. Now we are in. Thank you for your patience, and let us roll in. So what we see zero bandwidth, zero web space. If we go into file manager, we will see that there is only public HTML, and public HTML is empty. The HostMaria demo is this one. So just the bare minimum, just the bare minimum. Also, let us go to timeline backups. Not timeline backups. Let us go to databases, and bang, nothing, nothing, zero. But what is the difference of a fresh account and a restored account? So when we go to timeline backups up here, now let's wait. You will see that there are deleted. These means these have been terminated by the system. Web means all files, and databases are databases. If you had emails, emails will appear here as well. So first things first, what you want to do, you want to recreate. You start with, so there will be several things. There will be several things that you will need to re-add domains, subdomains, if you had any others, and then also databases. But now let us start step by step. Let us say you don't remember anything about your account. Yes. So this tutorial is for people who do not remember, hey, what domains did I have? What was the file structure? What was the top level domain name, like folder name and stuff like that? I will go step by step into all this stuff. Okay, so first things first, let us jump on the most time-consuming thing, restoring the files. So we would go view snapshots, then you would go to the date when you think when was the last time you had it. Let us say if today is 23rd, and if your account was deleted on 20th, then you would choose 19th. As it was deleted today, I'm keeping to today, 23rd. Target package, as everything is empty, leaving it open like this and empty means that all the files that are being restored will overwrite all the existing files. If you wish to create a folder, then what I would do, I would create /restore, and then restore all the files in a new folder without overwriting the files that you already have. In our case, we have a fresh account, zero, nothing, so we are restoring. So this means restore. It is a restore. Files are being restored, being put in queue. Now this will take time. Important thing: once you have started restoring your files, make yourself coffee, tea. Do not pour it on your keyboard, of course, and wait. Patience now is super, super important. Please don't do anything on your StackCP account while the files are being restored. The more files you have, the more files you have, the more files you have, the longer it will take for the files to get restored. All you need to do is just sit and wait till it appears here. Files are being restored, and at some points, I will say, maybe I will, yeah. So you can go. You just sit and wait and wait and wait. Hopefully I didn't miss it. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. Okay, and I can still see that files are not restored. Okay, So yes, so all we are doing are waiting. Those file snapshots and restore. That is what we need to do. Sit and wait till the files are being restored. Sit and wait. Sit and wait. I suppose it is time to cut the video and wait and wait. I will stay here recording this video. I will cut this bit out and I will return when the files are being restored. Okay. Oh, so wow, the process is complete. Let me take off the headphones, and this is what can happen to you. So what I did, I refreshed it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts restoring. The timeline backups failed. So what I needed to do, I just restored it into a temporary into a restore folder. So where is it now? File manager, and we can see file manager, and we can see here restore, and restore is here. Also interesting. That's interesting. Also, I can see that public HTML has been also restored. That's interesting. And v2 has been also restored. Personally, me, I would not trust these. I would delete them. Okay. Let us use only the folders that we know. So we have restored. Now we know that there are 2 folders restored, public HTML and v2. So next things. So files have been restored, and now we need to restore the databases. So the database restoration process is following. So we know that. So we had, okay, once again, let me open another one. Let us go to timeline backups. And so we had one database and second database. Both are deleted. So what we need to do, we need to create, so we can say, HeyJam demo, create database, and another one, and another one, v2 demo. And then I know that this one, the second one, is for, so now we have 2 databases, demo for the main website and for the subdomain. Okay, where to restore these? So we would go view snapshots, and which one is which? Let us go to file manager, restore. Let's see, public HTML. So public HTML, we would go to wp config, code editor. So the database was 33e. It means that this database 33e was for the main website. So we would choose it, choose the snapshot time, okay, and restore it to HM demo. So then we'll know that we are restoring it to this one database. Restore put in queue. Now we're waiting. waiting, we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting. This means once it goes like this, it means the restoration process is in progress. Now we just need to wait. So restoring databases usually takes much less time than restoring files, just for the sole reason that there are less files and those are lighter. Of course, if your databases are large, then the restoration time will be longer. So now all we need to do is just wait for the database to be restored. And absolutely, yes, I will be cutting this video in parts. To make it easier for you. Okay, no pop-up was there. That's interesting. Okay, complete. Then now we are going. Now let us check. Close. We'll do the rest later on. So we are going to restore v2, just making sure. Yes. So we can see that 2 folders were restored. Now we need to see for the WordPress. This is the second WordPress website. Just making sure which database it was using, and it was using so 3333 AD. So we can see timeline backups 3333 AD. That's the one. View snapshots and restore to v2 demo. Now we definitely know which website it is. Yes, so we know which database it is and where it should be restored. Restore. Please wait with passwords and everything. Let us restore. So once again, the process is very simple. We restore files first, databases next. Now let us wait. Okay. It should go inactive. And then once restored, it will become active again. Let us wait. Let us wait. Okay. Oh, it shows. Okay, so this one is complete. This one is complete. So, yeah, it is completed by itself already. Okay, cool. The process is complete. Fabulous. So, next things next. Now, okay, now we can see. Okay. So we have 2 databases that have been created. So now let us. So now we need to do what we need to do next. So we would go. Okay. We can go to domains. First of all, we know that we have domains, and HostMaria demo is restore /public HTML. That is where it is. And the subdomains are not there. And we know that the second, let me close it. We know that we had 2 folders. One was for the main website, one was for the subdomain. And then we would say restore Yes, v2, v2, and we would do it in restore v2. Great subdomain. If you are not sure now, if you are not sure which website is it for, then you can always do one thing. You can go to your okay, let's go back. So just in case, if you are not sure MySQL databases, you can always, so you would go here. So let us say you are lost. You have restored 5 different databases and now you are not sure which one is which. So you can go sign in, and you know that this database, and you would also always go to options, and then this one says this one is for HostMaria demo. Okay, and similarly you can go and log in into the next one, and again you would go into options, and you know that this one was for the subdomain. Just in case, databases always hold this information for you. Now, even though you have updated the domains and subdomains, if you go to hostmariademo.com, so you would go hostmariademo.com, you will see the website doesn't load. The website does not load. And the v2, doesn't load. Yeah. Okay. So what we see here, let us go here, let us check the permissions. Let us check the permissions. File permission checker. Scan permissions. Okay. Select all. Fix selected. Okay. Let us scan it once again. Okay. Let us see what the issue is. Okay. Now we have an issue. Error establishing database. And for the main website, also the same error. Also, the error is the same. So what do we do? One thing I have just noticed, we have our SSLs, so security, we need to go to security, SSLs. Okay, activate free SSL. Remember, it takes 30 minutes after you have done it. After you have activated your free SSL certificate at your StackCP dashboard, it takes 30 minutes for the SSL certificate to start working. And the same you need to do for the subdomain. Again, you will need to wait 30 minutes for the SSL to start working. And of course, free SSLs are available only if you use our name servers. Okay, now it says, please allow 30 minutes. Yes? Okay, please allow 30 minutes. Okay, so this is, now we have this, the last issue, error establishing database connection. So very simple. Let us say you didn't save passwords, anything. I love DynaPass. I love DynaPass. You go to DynaPass. You go to DynaPass and generate a password. So we have. Let's go to. Let's start one by one. Restore. Let us start with the main website. And WKP config. Let's go. So 33EE does not exist. 33.ee does not exist, and we would go. Let us sign in. And okay, sign in the same. So D6 is for the main website. And this means that we are in the proper place. So this was public HTML. This is the main website. Okay. So let us choose this. I prefer these. These passwords. Then you could generate passwords like these. I don't like these passwords. Sometimes they generate some funny names that you cannot. Some funny passwords that is difficult to update. So I have changed the password here to this one. Yes, Itchy Lizard 48. So what we need to do, find the password. Database password is here. This is one. This is not the only thing that you need to update. Now, database name and database username is the same. Copy it. Go. 1, 2. And the last thing, we need to update this one. So, okay, in this case, they match, but most often server names will not match. Now, what we do, we save, and let's check it. Bang, and we see a privacy error. It means the SSL is not working. Bang, we have restored. Okay, we have restored the the main website. Now let us restore V2. Let us restore the next one. Also, error establishing database. Semi-close. Once again, let us make sure that this was the database. That was for the V2. Sign in. Options. We see it was for V2. Excellent. So the database ending 3160C. 3160C. That's the one. Let us go to File Manager. Back. Version 2. Okay, version 2. Again, we need to go to WP config. This is, of course, for the WordPress. Okay, these are the old data. These are the old ones. Okay, let us generate a new password. Or let us say you didn't. Or let us say you didn't want to use this. Let us say you wanted to use this password generator. Okay, no problem. Funny characters. Okay, you would say save. You save the password. So you start with changing the password name. Next, you take the database name and database username, copy it. These two fields, 1, 2, and the last one, server name. Here, and we can see previously it was 76, and now it is 770. And now save. And let us check it. And it is loading. Here you go. You have successfully restored the second website. Now all you need is to wait is 30 minutes for the SSL to get activated. So yes, this was a long tutorial and real life struggle on how to restore your website. And once again, even if you fail at one or another step, don't despair. Just go through one by one. And remember, the main time-consuming thing will be restoring the files. Put up Netflix, make yourself a tea, and always, please start with restoring the files. If, the same as me, you failed like 3, 4, 5 times restoring, then just create restore one or something, make a folder name, and restore the files in that folder. After that is done, then the process will move on. Okay, thank you all for watching, and if you have any issues, please open support tickets. Have a great day.